Hey folks, a hot one across the valley today. The heat advisories and heat warnings have expired. That happened at 6 o'clock as temperatures begin to slowly go down. We haven't changed much since 5 o'clock, so it feels about the same right now, but these numbers will go down as we get close to sunset. 85 at the beach, 90 Brownsville, 93 Harlingen and Raymondville, then upper 90s to 102 right now in Rio Grande City. Add in what it feels like, and oh my goodness, it feels hot out there. Walk out the door and start sweating immediately because the dew points, a lot of times when it heats up, the dew points will mix out. It'll get a little drier. Today, that didn't happen. It stayed super humid all day, so it feels really hot all across the valley right now. Tomorrow's highs will be a little cooler than we are right now, probably low to mid 90s, and there could be a shower thunderstorm as a weak cool front moves into the area during the first part of the day tomorrow. So that keeps us cooler than today, but not dramatically so. Late in the week, though, you're going to notice the drop in the humidity. That's going to make it pretty comfortable. 93, 94, 93. The average is 94. There's your dew point right now. That's the average, but parts of the lower valley have dew points up around 79 right now. So it's really, really muggy out there. And if you look at the next few days, I think tomorrow, most of the day is still muggy, but then it drops as that cool front comes in. And notice how it gets pretty comfortable for the daytime hours down in the 60s, which is not, super dry like wintertime, but certainly drier than what we're used to this time of year. We do have a marginal risk for severe weather in the western part of the valley tonight. That means an isolated severe storm is possible, but isolated is a key word and possible another key word because we have to watch the mountains over here to see what's happening. And there are some showers and storms, but way west, kind of over that first ridge and in the mountains back there. The stuff east of that ridge is still just not happening right now. So we'll watch as that wind off the Gulf gets lifted by those mountains. That's what creates the storms, and the upper level winds carry them in our direction. Future track suggests that they come in our direction, but they don't get here. So we're going to watch late night, early tomorrow morning, see if something can sneak into the western part of the valley. Then we have to watch as a cool front comes down from the north. That could trigger some thunderstorms early in the morning and then scattered showers and thunder showers during the first part of the day tomorrow. I think by afternoon, most things taper off and the chances kind of fade away after that, but still a slight chance into the middle part of the week as that front stalls just out of the south of us. So it goes through during the daytime tomorrow, but once it gets south, it kind of hangs out right down there for a while. It continues to be the focal point for shower and thunderstorm development, so spotty stuff continues to be possible on Thursday. I think by Friday it's out of here. High pressure is already beginning to move away, but the lower humidity air will build in. Weekend, thinking about that already, and who's not? Saturday and Sunday, 94, 95, mostly sunny with temperatures starting each day in the upper 60s and low 70s. At the beach, about 88 both Saturday and Sunday. Southeast winds both days of the weekend. So for tonight, 79 for low. It's still humid tonight. There could be an isolated thunderstorm, mainly west. And then tomorrow, spotty storms as that front comes in. There's a chance something could, roll and rock a little bit as a thunderstorm could pop up with that front. Most areas won't see that, though, but there's a possibility one or two places pick up a pretty good thunderstorm. As you look at the next 7 days, best chance for thunderstorms tomorrow, slight chance on Thursday, and then Friday, I think the chance of rain is gone. And look at those highs into the weekend. Mid-90s, which is about normal, but the nighttime lows dropping back into the upper 60s. That's below normal. That's a sign humidity will drop off a little bit just in time for the weekend. That's your updated First Alert 5 AccuWeather forecast.